Reopening ng Walmart. So, nag-renovate sila. Sa namin pa free dito sa labas ngayon. Cold water. Wanna get? Hey, what did you get? May free water dun, oh. It's cold. You want cold water? And we have may pag-game sana sila dun pa. Okay. Try natin tong pa-free cupcake ng Walmart. Taste. Turner. Taste it. Wait, let me taste it first.
I never taste that yellow one. I only have the blue.
It tastes good. Don't like it?
I taste it.
Sarap siya. Walmart sale, $1 each lahat yan. Ang dami. Sana ang ganda. Kunin ko ata to. $1 lahat. Daming sale ngayon actually. Clearance. Oh, $1 ulit. Oh, clearance. Kaso dadalawang natira. Kunin ko to for my mother. Ato, anong size nito? Ay, 12. Malaki na yan. Ano yan? Baka may kilaman. Oh, ayan oh. $1 oh. I can taste. Let's look. It's 10. Oh, this one oh 7. For mother. For mamang. Yes. Kaso with ano siya. With heels. Gusto kaya niya? It's just the same. Oh, $1. This one.
Oh, those are black.
This is with ano. Oh no. Let's get this for mamang. Yeah.